It's simple. American made guarantees the quality for us. It makes sure that you guys get to go home the same way that you came to work. American-made products are the best in the world, we believe, because of ASTM 1506, which is the standard for electrical, flame, or arc rated textiles. You can't pass that unless you really know what you're doing. And so we've tried to test other fabrics out there. We've tried to test other manufacturers that claim to be ASTM 1506 compliant. And the fact of the matter is a lot of them aren't. And that's kind of the scariest part of it. You can have the label in there correctly. Putting a label on something doesn't necessarily make it compliant. It's putting it through the standards, putting it through the testing, getting the certification back for it. That's where quality control really takes hold. All that testing is done at Kinetrix Laboratory up in Toronto, which is one of the most accredited laboratories in the world. We make sure that anything that hits the market is not only the top of the line product, but it's also a 100% certified product as well. So we get the rolls in from our textile partners. Basically what we do is we roll it out first. We do a visual inspection on the whole entire thing. So inch by inch, looking for rips, tears, abrasions, anything that could potentially cause that fabric to not operate to its 100% capacity that's supposed to. If it passes that, then it's perfect. It goes to the cutting table where we have all of our die cuts and we begin manufacturing the products. We use a Nomex thread, we use non-metallic materials. That means no zippers with any metal on it or anything like that, no buttons, anything that could potentially be conductive in the situation inside of an arc flash boundary, we do not use it. And that's because you guys are too important to question it. I mean, it's like, we wouldn't put a product out in the field that doesn't supremely pass the standard. When it comes to design and features and things like that on some of these garments, I mean, we spend so much time in the field listening to our customers. Really, the people that are going to tell you what's going to be the most beneficial feature for them are the people that are actually out in the field wearing it. So for us, it's so important for us to be in the field constantly, listening to the safety managers, listening to the technicians, creating design features that are going to benefit them the most while not ever impairing their safety. It can take up sometimes to 2 or 3 years to even manufacture a product that has the smallest design feature that, it may not look like much to a lot of people, but to us, this is 2, 3, 4 years potentially of hard labor and intel and R&D that we've been putting into it just to give you that tiny little extra benefit in the field. But that's kind of our quest for integrity.